Know that I am trying to combine rope jumping and dance. So I was looking for a jump rope trick which was supposed to be really fast. I could rotate really fast. So I stumbled upon this jump rope trick called single step 360 jump rope trick. To perform this trick, you just have to follow 3 simple steps. First of all, I'm going to tell you all the steps, then I'll perform it. First step, basic swing. Second step, perform side swing and turn 360. Third step, add a jump. Now let me show you how to do it. Let's start with the basic swing. Perform side swing and turn 360 and then jump. Now you might be thinking this is one of the easiest jump rope trick, but if you are doing at a slow pace, but if you are going to speed it up, you are going to trip a lot. Now let me show you how to perform this jump rope trick at a fast pace. So let's start with the basic swing again. And that's how you perform single step 360 jump rope trick. Recently I've been to New Delhi, capital of India. Had a great time with my cousins. My cousins are also learning how to jump rope. They also watch my videos. So one of my cousins suggested me to include some of the mistakes which I make so that people can learn from those mistakes and avoid those mistakes. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to include some of the mistakes which I make all the time so that people can learn from it and avoid those mistakes. Guys, if you like this video, it was my pleasure that I could help you out. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.